ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and just let me know what you think, okay? So today, we will be doing an upcycle of an old little school desk that I found from Facebook Marketplace for free. I love to check them out if I'm looking for a cute little project or something to do. They usually have good steals and good deals on there. So this actually, I got it for free. And during this time right now, we're doing homeschooling, and so I was like, let's see if we can spruce this up a little bit for my daughter. And so that's what we'll be doing today. And first things first, you have to clean it. And so I have a spray and a cloth, and I'll be wiping it down. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and cleaned everything, wiped everything down, and I've gone ahead and taped it off. I want to keep the chair, all the wooden parts, taped and covered because I'm going to do that a different color. I'm thinking of staining it, not sure yet, but all the metal will be getting spray painted. And I taped off the end part so it didn't get spray paint on that. But everything down, the metal pieces here, we're going to do our first top coat. So at this point, I've stained it, let it dry. It has dried, wiped it down with the stain. It has all been put back together. Well, I just put the top back on, have it open, and now I am about to go inside and no, I'm about to take off the front, pull the tape off. So after pulling the tape off, I really didn't like the desktop just by itself. So I had this really cute contact paper here from Ace Hardware for like $4.99, and I enlisted some help from my husband to really help me get it even. I used my cry cut to cut out her name and just placed them on the back, lined them up real nice, and had them placed back there. As you can see, we were really just struggling a little bit trying to have it lined up even at the bottom of the desk. And the way that the metal sticks out in certain places in the pencil holder, it just was really important to try to get it at least as close as possible as we could starting off. And so after it was all laid at the bottom, we were able to pull the rest of the backing off and go from there. The bubbles were crazy. And so I was really just trying to get it as smooth as possible and cut around the edges the excess paper. And so here is how it looked the night before I finished it. This was just a rough draft. Next day I decided to add some epoxy to the top because the paper is really thin, and with her writing on the desk and everything, I really wanted to make sure that it was going to last. And so I put epoxy on the top of the desk and over the letters for her name. It was a little tricky, just trying to get it all even and spread out across the whole thing evenly. I ended up having to take the chair back off so it could dry and set right. I left it overnight for another 24 hours. And here we have the finished product. I really love the way that this turned out. The epoxy gave it a really nice gloss glass looking finish. It's going to protect it and make it last just a little longer. I am just in love with the details. It's so cute. My daughter's going to love it, and she's going to really get a lot of good use out of it.